So I've gotten out of the habit of posting a video to this channel every week, and that's really hurt my experimentation, my drive for this channel. At one point, I got really tired of releasing video after video and not seeing many results, so I decided to take a step back and try to release only higher quality videos. But for me personally, that led to not releasing very many videos. And if you're not releasing very many videos, it takes you so much longer to improve your craft. So I need to get back to the grind. I need to just decide I'm gonna release a video every week, or at least every other week. At the bare minimum, every other week. You can't grow on YouTube unless you're uploading to YouTube. This is something that I've said over and over again, and yet I've failed to take my own advice. So I'm gonna start experimenting again. And even if I release videos that maybe aren't like top notch or the very best that I can possibly do, I need to release videos because I need to be consistent enough to improve my craft with each and every upload that I upload. So that's what I'm doing today. Today I'm experimenting with lights. Now, could I have done better? Yeah, my desk is a mess. The lights probably could be fine-tuned, placed better, but is this lighting better than the video before it? Yeah, I think so. I got a nice ring light over here. I got some color going on in the background. I can even change the colors if I want to. Apparently some colors were better than others. Don't get sucked into the hype of I have to make every single upload so phenomenal that if I don't do that, then I won't get any views. No, the way that you get views is to improve yourself, improve what you do each and every time. And over time, those videos will become such high quality that people can't ignore them. But it doesn't happen immediately. And if you put that kind of pressure on yourself, then you'll probably end up doing what I did and just never release a video, or release them so infrequently that you're not getting any better. When you put all of your hope into one video, the likelihood of that one video exploding is actually still pretty small, especially if you're a small channel. Yes, it does happen, and you hear those stories, but the vast majority of YouTube videos never get much attention. So the way you improve your craft, the way you grow your YouTube channel is to be consistent. Consistently get better with each upload. And if that, for you, like it is for me, means that you put yourself on a schedule, or else it doesn't get done, then that's important. Anyway, I wasn't gonna get into all that. I just wanted to ask, do you like my setup? If you think there's an immediate thing that I can do to improve this, like clean my desk, let me know in a comment. And if you think that even this kind of setup is beyond your reach, I wanna let you know you can do it. I can do it. I mean, if I can do it, you can do it too. I'm just an average guy.